down already?
You go give him.
Ken, stop trying to bribe the cameraman.
Lads, challenge number 3. So you've heard of the Great Escape, haven't you?
Yes, yeah.
This is called the Mediocre Escape, because you guys are taking part in it.
Oh.
Well suited.
You're going to be locked inside this house behind me, and the task is you need to escape. You'll face a couple of tasks to suit your particular set of skills I've been told about, but you've got to work them out for yourself. So to get started, you're going to use the Bosch MeasureOn App. I've got it on my phone and I've took a drawing of one of the rooms inside. You've got to locate what room it is using the app. Points will be awarded for completing each task, and bonus points are also up for grabs too. Here's the app.
Excellent.
Here's the measuring device.
Excellent.
And let's go inside and I need to lock you in.
Let's go.
We are going to be let out afterwards, right?
I must say...
Could it be this one?
Well, let's have a look. So we've got a measurement here of 3.43 on the app.
Right, you've got the laser reader, so ping that on the
Over
wall
there. And that is 3.44. 3.44.
So, yep.
This is the room.
So you reckon this is a starting room?
This is the start room, yeah. See a laser level down there?
There's a laser level.
There's a laser level. There's some numbers.
There's some numbers.
What do the numbers mean?
There may potentially be some tiles located around the house.
Tyler.
You're a tiler.
Can we put it on number 1? Would that be where the first tile goes?
Hey! I could start the tiling.
Is that?
They've got numbers on the back of the tile!
Jimmy, they got numbers. Is this a 6 or a 9?
Come on, Ken, time is ticking. You're not on day rate, mate, so we're going to speed this up.
Teamwork makes the dream work, eh, Ken? It's amazing to watch Ken actually at work, isn't it? For once.
You usually get someone to do it for him.
5 minutes gone already, come on. Going to speed this up. Come on, Ken.
Come on, Ken!
Does it have to be the numbers? Correct numbers?
Looking spot on, to be fair to him.
Is he doing alright? Well, he's pretty good at this, isn't he?
Well, it would be better if you weren't in front of the laser, but...
Oh, yeah, sorry.
No.
Oh.
1, 7,
There we go.
0. No. Yeah, 170.
170, perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we win, yeah?
No quite yet. We've still no escape. First step of the challenge complete.
Aha!
There we go.
What was it, 160?
170, love.
170. 70. Oh, what gems of joy do we have in here? Hopefully large wads of cash. Ah!
What's that?
Big fat recip saw with vibration control.
Nice. That might be for me then.
Oh yeah, it would be, wouldn't it?
There's that big ply door downstairs.
Might be a good shout.
I think I need to go make some noise. Say hello to my little friend.
You usually just got to edge it in, don't you? Just edge it in slowly.
Go with the tip. Honey, I'm home!
There we go. We're like an action movie star breaking in there.
Right, okay, so we use a stud finder so we can clip our pipes nicely to the wall. Always get me wet doing this.
What's inside the bottle? Is that a key?
Yeah, so we've got to run that over there to the bottle, fill that up there, get the water up and that bit done. But we need to find something that we can get these onto the wall with.
Shave your beard.
Right, have a look for a hammer, boys, see what there's anything about. While you do that, I'll get these popped in.
I'm glad you know what you're doing, Jimmy, because this is beyond.
Well, actually, hold on, let's just think about this.
There's nothing up here, Jimmy.
What is it you're looking for?
Just looking for studs. Just want to make sure we don't go through any water pipes at the other side. Phil, do what you usually do as a chicken, just watch me work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's wrong. That's out of level.
So we do it like that, we just bend that round to there, sort of.
Just bend it, yeah.
Cool. I mean, this is how I usually do plumbing on YouTube, but this never makes the edit. So, you know. You enjoying this, guys? Having fun? All the cameramen learning a little bit about plumbing today?
I mean, you're such a professional.
I think he wants anything now.
Where'd they get that from?
Go, genius, he's done. Genius.
Look at that. We didn't even need a hammer.
No, we've got to put some clips in.
my
As you
room.
can see.
Mind the pipe behind?
Right, there we go.
Do you want uppies?
No! Right.
Yes, it, man. he
See
has
if it works.
Have we still got that shot collar?
Right.
Hey!
Oh no! Get it!
Turn it around. Turn it around.
There we go.
Another way you two haven't
you
helped
go.
at all.
You're doing good. I don't want to get wet.
Phil, all you've done is try and make me spill it.
No, I haven't.
Stop it!
It's a lovely bit of work though.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, a little bit leak here, but it's fine, I guess.
That's probably the best work I've ever seen that he's done.
There you go, pin it.
Are you wanting some nimble fingers?
Pin it. There you go, mate. Pin it, pin it, pin it. Lovely.
Come on, let's go, go, go.
Who do I invoice?
Keys to come out.
Have to say
Go, 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 go.
Come on.
Let's get out. That was quick. 5
Go,
minutes
go, go.
task. Well done.
Wow, that was great. Freedom, Las Vegas.
How'd you get on with that?
Oh, brilliant. I think I was the quickest. Phil was the loudest.
I was definitely
And
the
Ken
loudest.
was the longest.
So in
Yes,
total-
because it was a team. Should have been a team effort. Said to them, get the number task, stack it up, because I knew what was happening, and they didn't.
I love it. I love it. We're watching the moment where Ken goes out of first position.
As it was a team exercise, I could say that you all get 5 points for participating. And
Excellent.
so that leaves Ken with just the basic 5 points. Phil, 7 points in total.
Yeah.
And Jimmy, 7 points in total for you as well.
All right, fair enough.
Just one challenge remaining. Do you just want to know what the leaderboard's looking like?
Of course we do.
So third place, Phil,
Oh,
Drum roll.
11 points. That's not a terrible effort.
11's all right, yeah.
You're participating, that's a good start. Second place, we've got Jimmy, 16 points. And that leaves Ken, you're in first place with 17 points.
Is it that close? Wow.
It's a fairly close leaderboards and anything could happen in this next challenge.
So you're saying there's still a chance?
Not for you. Do you want to know what the next challenge is?
Go!
Our winner for the Ready for Anything Day